Donnie and Elta here, Vail Creek Jewelry Designs, and we are super excited to share with you Counter Sketch. Why did we bring Counter Sketch here? It was because men keep coming into the store and sharing with us these most amazing, touching, loving stories about the women in their lives, the ones that they've met, the ones that have been in their lives for a really long time. And we talked about it a lot, and we saw a fit here, how you could take this piece
and make it as unique as she is. I've come from the custom design world. I love custom design, you all know that. And I wanted to be able to do it for everybody. So you come in with the Counter Sketch, you pick, you get to see something out of the showcase, you like it, and then bam! We put it up on the screen and we modify it and we change it so that when you deliver that Vail Creek box to her and she opens it up, it is going to be a one-of-a-kind, unique piece for her.
Oh man, I loved it when Donnie gave me my Vail Creek box. I knew when you just get that feeling when you see that little logo. You're like, uh-oh, here comes the diamond. it gives you pause.
You will be a winner with Counter Sketch. Come see us.
That's without said. So come see us at Vail Creek. Come see Counter Sketch. Let us custom make something for her.